everyone. So this is our first session of the online module. So same as what we did in the class, we're basically gonna go through like a list of commands while we're working on one piece of the assignment. And on Friday we finish the first part, the assignment one, and as you can see, we cover most of these commands in our class while we're working, for example, the units, the limits, zoom and pan, and we work on while we're working on the one part of assignment one. By now, you can finish the other part of this assignment one. All the files I mentioned is on Canvas. So if you want to see, for example, what is exercise 2A, you have to go to the assignment and then look for that file, specific file. Only file that there is no file, and basically you have to do that is your room. You are supposed to measure in your bedroom or dorm room and draw a sketch that in the AutoCAD, and basically following through all the specification here, including the unit, precision, limits, and I put one example of my room on Canvas. You can check and see what was my expectation is. So basically, based on the class on Friday, you'll now be able to finish all the assignment one. So now we are moving to the assignment two, and these are the list of the commands that we are supposed to cover in this assignment. And you can see that there are different pieces to this assignment: exercise 211, exercise 232, and 626. These are very simple, so I'm not going to go over them that much. Unless there is some question, we can answer those questions on Wednesday class. But usually at the beginning or at the end of the Wednesday class, I usually explain what are the assignments for next week, the following week, and basically covering what are the important features. Some of you ask me about these numbers in front of all this, like for example, rectangle commands, for example, 76 to 78. That's basically from the textbook reference book. So if you have any problem, you don't know what we cover, or the video is not clear, or you don't have any access to it and you want to follow up, you just want to see what our approaches to that command is, you can just go to that to the library and then find the online version of our reference book, and this is the page number on that. So for the as assignment 2, we are going to work on the septic fill file, and we're going to draw the septic fill file while we are covering all the commands in assignment 2.